This is the final video to solve FHE01 and FHC01 startup crashes in Forza Horizon 6. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve FHE01 and FHC01 startup crashes in Forza Horizon 6, and I am going to share them with you. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial. Outdated drivers often lack optimizations for new game engines or contain bugs that conflict with specific API calls, causing instability and crashes during the game's initial resource loading. The driver acts as a critical interpreter between the game and your hardware. A faulty interpretation leads to immediate system failure. Next, verifying game files directly addresses potential data corruption. Games require thousands of files to run correctly. If a single critical file is missing or damaged, the game cannot properly initialize its core components, resulting in a startup failure. This process ensures all necessary assets are intact and functional. Adjusting virtual memory or the page file is another key solution. Insufficient virtual memory can starve Forza Horizon 6 of the necessary RAM it needs, especially during resource-intensive startup sequences where large amounts of data are loaded. Expanding this system resource provides the operating system with more capacity to allocate memory to the game, preventing out-of-memory crashes. Finally, disabling overlay applications prevents software conflicts. Overlays from programs like Discord or GeForce Experience inject their own code into the game process. This injection can sometimes clash with the game's anti-cheat or rendering pipeline, leading to instability and unexpected crashes. Removing these external injections ensures the game runs without interference from third-party software.